What up, YouTube? Six ten. Check, 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 check. All right, cool, perfect. Good morning, TikTok. Let's quickly do a run through of some of the names that we have popped up on the scanner from overnight. All right, we have good morning, guys. Texas Brown Eye link. All right, let's go over some of the scanners we have. So if you guys are doing options or, just looking at names, we have, let's start with the beginning. Good morning, Langfreddy. Langfreddy is a good one. How are you? How are you? All right, this is one of the names that popped up on the scanner last night, overnight. Not overnight, before closing that Liquid pulled up. We have applied. Flow came in for 38.5 calls for February 13th. So what I did was pretty much any normal trader would do is look at the daily first. Check out the daily. Hell yeah. I'm glad you're here, brother. I'm glad you're here to learn. Thank you. Appreciate you, man. Let's take a look at this. So yesterday we had an engulfing candle. That was a daily candle yesterday. So I did a quick fib from the last impulse, which is this guy to this guy, which is a little bit off. Am I blind or am I blind? I'm blind. What was I looking at? That was crazy. I have bad service, so I guess I'll come back when I have better service. All right, cool. Yeah, so this is some of the entries that you can do. So it's pushing through the golden zone already. We'll look at the 4 hours for applied. Now, if you were waiting for getting an apply movement, this is a good spot to pull into. But there's this 113 line right here, the 113 EMA, which is the orange line right here. If we get a nice pullback even to, let's say, 35, 35 can be a buy zone. 35 buy zone. I would put, what line was that? 35.50. Let's say 35 to 35.50 buy zone for a long. Under. I'll put U is for under everyone. Hey trades, good morning. How are you? What was I saying? Got me distracted. Oh, under the EMA, which is like, let's say get 34, it's a no-go. So I'm going over some of the name that popped up on the scanner overnight. I'm good. No coffee. I'm out of coffee. I need to get more coffee. I drank all of it yesterday, so it's yerba mate kind of day. Yerba mate, and you dropping the likes in already. I appreciate you so much. Let's have a good Wednesday. Let's have a good Wednesday. So that is supply right now. We have 38.5 calls for February 13th. These are the flow that came in from the scanner yesterday. It's under one of our short dated out of the money flow. So these are interesting because like it's short dated. First it's like this week, next week, or just like in 2 weeks, and out of the money flow, which means someone's bullish, right? Someone's targeting that price. So we have applied. The next one I have is Costco. Costco is actually really interesting. So Costco has a lot of flow coming in recently. It has earnings coming up for sure. Not until next month, but this is the current weekly chart. Look at the weekly bounce off the 113 for Costco. Right off the 13 bounce, the 113 bounce. Now we're just consolidating. If you were to zoom out, this is a channel I saw and it broke through. It pushed through the one, well, it bounced off the, I call it launch pad, right? Launch pad right off the 113. And now we're just moving on up. Now we zoom in on daily. Daily looks good as well. When you look at this daily, you have the EMA confluence and it bounced off the EMA confluence, the 113 and the 200 EMA. Now we go to the 4 hours. Now, if we were planning on trading this ticker, what's up, Leighton? Leighton's gonna make some good money later. Baby steps, all right, Leighton? Those base hits gonna like rack you up quick. I'm waiting for a silver pullback to enter, by the way. Speaking of silver, crazy cat. We're at $82, right? Quick jump over here. SOV 83 pre-market. Good catch. Cat and I caught down here. Now we're just churning it back up. This flush, cool. I welcome it. I welcome that. That's a discount. I'm a contract buyer, options buyer, so that's good. So back to what I was saying, Kosk. If you're just getting in right now, I'm going over. I am going over some of the names that popped up on the scanner. Costco, 4 hours. Sorry about that. Let's get this done before 6:30 before market, so we have some options to play with. We have Costco, 982.5 for February 6th. This is this week. This is like a good bet. It's currently at 977. We probably open at 980, possibly. But this one right here, February 13th next week for 992.50. Costco contracts are expensive, by the way. What's up? What's up, doctor? Yeah, silver good. I'm just waiting for the sign. Doc, what's your entry for silver again? I'm waiting for a pullback. I missed that initial entry at 95, 90.5. I was on the cardio machine, and then I looked up and I was gone. I was like, can't enter now. It was gone. It was just gone. Oh well, it was just gone. So that's Costco right there. I need to redo this fib quickly. Give me a second. This is old fib, right? So let's do this guy right here. Last impulse would be this leg. That leg right there. Now, a smart trader will wait for a pullback, which is down to the 955 area. Buy zone is 955 area. Put a note here so I don't forget. Buy zone is 955 area for calls. Anything under 90, if it ever drops down to 931, I wouldn't even touch calls. You guys should know that by now, right? I don't need to say like, hey. Cool, that's Costco. Let's move to the next one. I have Oh, I missed another Costco. Costco. This one is $9.95. Calls Feb 13th as well. So yeah, the Costco getting smashed with flow. So that's an interesting look. If you're looking into that, that'd be interesting. SMCI. I actually just heard that. Let's pull up SMCI. 97. Got you, Doc. Of course. Doc, let's pull this quick up, Chloe. Yeah, it's just knocking out all our fibs, Doc. Our levels are like godly unheard of. It's testing the 618, bringing the golden zone. I would love a pullback, so we can get some money off this. I know you're like 10K already, Doc. 10K in one trade. I got you. You monster. Cat, let's check your name out. This might be good for calls. Let's see. I'm checking out our bots to see if it had any interesting flow that we missed. SMCI semi for this week. 36 calls. Damn, that is out the money, short dated. Average feels 32 cents each. I mean, $32 per contract. So this is like a straight degen play. Yeah, he was betting earnings. MT, thanks for the follow. Yeah, Leighton, just you pick in a group in a room. Just pick Dr. Fib, Dr. Pill, nonstop. Pick his brains. I would trade blindly for this guy. Like he says something, I'll do it easily. That's Busy Cat in here in this chat, by the way. We don't bet. We trade smart. We have calculated bets. Cat. It played. A lot of flow came in to trade earnings on SMCI. A lot of puts. And it all came like, yeah. So Cat, for something like right after earnings, I would wait to see what it does. If it gives us a nice pullback and it bases, go enter. So when I see this, Dave, I see your chat. Let me your text. Let me do this one move quickly. So I like to do this for earnings. So I see a giant like impulse move for earnings, right? What I do is I fib that impulse move overnight and wait for these levels to be tested. Now on a 4 hour, check this out. On a 4 hour, the orange lines are 113 line, right? So a good move would be we see a pullback to this area. Let's draw a circle. The circle way too big. So like somewhere here. This would be a good move to enter. To buy. But flow wise, I don't see anything that's interesting that's like a little bit dated out for SMCI. That's my take, but that's the fib. That's the line I would check out. 288 short. Blockbuster. Busy. I'm a Hollywood video kind of guy. Be kind. Rewind. SoFi, I got you. Everybody loves SoFi. our list is like going off tangent right now, but I'm okay with that. I got some more names for you guys. Hold on. Let's look at SoFi quickly. We did SoFi yesterday for Cat the other day. What did I say SoFi was doing? It was dead unless it like recovers. Yeah, I said it was dead unless it recovers at least 22.7. Then it'll be interesting to look at longs. Definitely by 23.50, then you can go long. But right now, Cloud person, your name doesn't even pop up. Oh, New York City Knicks. What's up, Nick? Buy CVS. CVS. But yeah, Nick, that's what I would do. So here's support right now. We got support. If you're doing options, if I'm doing options for SoFi, I don't mind taking a small long position here. I'm talking about like next month. That's crazy. When I write that, you guys see, look at that. I had this up here, short at 29. So if we short at 29, that's all right, cool. I guess I don't miss much. It's crazy. Dude, I saw it yesterday. Someone brought that up. I don't remember in the chat. They were dropping memes with those old school watches and calculator. I don't know anything about that deal or what's gonna happen. Well, Slap's price is gonna drop down a little bit, right? When someone buys someone, their price, their ticker will drop a little bit. I'm watching silver on the side. Sorry, guys. Silver's pulling back. Hold on, let me get back to the scanner quickly. Then we can do some more stuff. Slab at 205. Slab you can go long right here. My ratio, my percentage off the 113 is like a winning rate, so I don't mind going long right here. Right here. Come on. Right there. 113, that's the orange line. That's a daily. Daily yesterday recovered at 113. Looks like you have massive support right here. That's not bad. ETN. Wait, ETN. Hold on, let me get this go through. Eaton Corporation. Off the daily, 113 launch. Keep an eye on this one. ETN 370 calls for this week. That's very short dated. For 370. Let me see if I see a fib. We fib this. We'll fib this. And that's your entry for today. I got 3 minutes to go through this quickly. ETN. Then we can talk about other stuff. HD, Home Depot. Home Depot. I have 382.5 for this week as well. So that's a crazy looking candle. That wick right there, it's got to fill. That wick has to fill. Also, I didn't check if we have any data today, by the way. So I'm pretty sure we have data today. There we go. So keep an eye out for HD, Home Depot, 382.550 for this week. Len. Sorry, guys. Let me do this quickly. Wait for single LCB test 95, 97. What's your watch on right now? Follow. Hey, Nix, thanks for the follow, my guy. All right, Doc, I'm watching it. There's that 9. It touched 9.7 right there. God damn it. God dang it. This Len. Len 11. Well, 116 calls for this week. PSX, PlayStation. We got 148 calls for. Should be the 20th. Sorry. 148. It's already in the money, so I wouldn't even skip this or wait for like a major pullback for this one to enter. So what I'm doing right now is I'm jumping in. Right? You see me fib. So these are my entry levels. I wait for a pullback. I don't go for breakouts or anything like that. And market opens. We're gonna do this today. U-Star. Keep it in mind. 28.5 cost. Here we go. Keep apply up. U-Star is definitely a keeper. Where the fuck this go? Is my blind? No, it's way off. So same thing. Oh, Kat, remember yesterday how we said for VIX? Was I right or was I right? Was I right? Travis, thanks for following my guy. Over 17 bear start taken. Over 18 buy any puts, short anything. And like see what happened yesterday, Kat. Oh my god. I was just dying. I'm like, You know what's crazy? AMD hit last night. Everyone just chill out today, okay? Chill out this morning. Don't jump into any trades. VIX. A line to keep pay attention to, Cat, for today for VIX. It's a 20 rejection. $20 is the rejection. You have trading view, Vic, Cat? Or you just use everything off the browser, whichever platform browser you're using? Thinkorswim? Schwab, Thinkorswim. They don't have VX. Have you tried VX maybe? Thinkorswim doesn't have VIX inside. It should. It might be a different like name. There, so we're pulling back. I'm just chilling right now, everyone. Just looking. We made some. We're about to, oh yeah, Leighton for sure. Just chill. Just wait for a nice pullback. Wait for a nice entry. Then we'll figure it out. Here's a bounce on silver. I'm gonna keep M&Q down here. That's overnight 4K. I need to redo this flip quickly. The last 4 hour. Let me get rid of all these lines. I need a fresh take. This is last hour, 4 hour candle. It's kind of nasty, by the way. Major impulse would be this move from yesterday. Silver. What up? Waiting. Yeah, don't trade silver. Let me do a fib quickly on this M&Q. USAR. Applied. USAR pulling back, VIX pulling back. Thank you. We're gonna wait for two solid candles on MNQ, Leighton. At least I am. Before I jump in. I think it's UVIX. Maybe UVIX. Yeah, NQ, MNQ, same. How's my favorite ticker doing? My favorite ticker is Lily, everyone. Just let you know. I was expecting Lily earnings to pull back. Like, even if it's like a good earning, which is a great earning. I was hoping to pull back to 970. Like, give me a wick, like down to 970. Then I would take longs today. But yeah, that didn't work. Good for them. I have Apple strong at opening. Here it is. NQ is turning around. Cat under 18, we're good. Leighton, I'm putting a long entry. Come on, give me a second candle. No entry yet for MQ, okay, Leighton? No entry yet. I want to see VIX break below 18. Apple is strong. Apple is very strong. That's cool. Apple is strong. Limit order. I do limit order on a pullback. So if I have an entry, like let's say they break out the level I want to enter, I'll let it go. Like I'll let it move, not break out, but if it moves past the level, I let it move and pull back. They always retest a level. They always retest a key level. Remember that. Always, always, always. Applied. Apple is strong. Okay, Apple. Do your thing, Apple. Let's put this over here. Apple. Our SLV contracts are at $214 each now. They were at $70 2 days ago. Isn't that great? I bought a boatload at $70. Now they're at $215 each. Money. You flush a name, that just means it's a big discount. You flush silver. Shit, that's a fat discount. So I want to thank all the bears for shorting those. Okay, so my scanner names. Hold on. Run. Run is good. Run is great. Put this over here for now, so I can see. Run. Jesus, run. I got nothing. Run. Run's gone. Run. Goddamn, run. 88.3 silver. Got you. Say less. I see that. But would you think 88.9? I mean 88.09 is better for silver? Hey cat, SMCI. I see my broke the flag for cat right off the pre-market opening. Orb high. Yep, it pulled back. It pulled back. It didn't pull back enough for us, but it still bounced off of 382, which is a good spot, a good level. It's either 382 or go in the zone. Good job with that one, cat. That was all you. Dude, my trade ovate and TV is broken for me. Doctor, is your trade ovate and TV broken? Like it has. I can't link it to anything. Oh, you. Fuck. Unless they block silver again. That means. I just traded this morning. Are you kidding me right now? Shut the fuck up. Look at this shit. Look at that shit. You funny. Data poor. I bought extra data. I stack my data. Why? What is this? 50. 50s in your name? Fuck you guys. I mean, sorry. Don't say that on live. VIX under 18. VIX under 18. We can go long. Are you kidding me, trade ovate? Oh, you guys mess up. You guys broke trade ovate with all the silver trade. Oh my god. No trades for me, Leighton. As you can tell, I can't even do anything. So much data has a role. I should, huh? I should tell TV that. Damn. Are you kidding me right now, bro? Nowhere yet. I don't like how it's like moving around right now. Leighton. Okay. I'm okay. I'm just messing around. But that's so dumb. What if I was already in a trade and like it did that and it's broken? Yeah, guess I'm just gonna trade SPX today. Yeah, no entry for me yet, Leighton. I can't even enter anything right now until it's fixed. Oh boy. Why is Apple moving? They released something I don't know about? Jesus. AMD at the 113 daily. I might get that. Bum, 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 bum. Connect. 50 for sure. He's a smart guy. He's a G. Yeah, nothing for Q yet, okay, guys? I'm looking to enter AMD long swing right now. Rotunda? Is it Rotunda? No, not Rotunda. Okay, AMD. I don't mind taking a long for AMD long. Run it. Run. Apple's insane right now. What is happening? Like, I want to not get Apple, but at the same time, I kind of want to get Apple. Damn, 50. Why you gotta be mean to like some random guy on TikTok? Fuck that. It's messed up, man. Rude. And he's in our chat too. Vic is dying. All right, I'm gonna switch over to MES. I'm switching to ES. The question is ES moving any better than NQ? Do you like trading the Q? Yeah, I do. I do. When we have a nice trend day, trend week, Hell yeah, I'll swing Qs all day long. Take contracts. Speaking of Qs. Like, you guys crack me up. Must be nice, doctor. Must be nice that you can enter. Fuck. I'm so annoyed. I'm very annoyed, by the way. Dude, what if do I need to log out and log back in? Yeah, I can't even log back in now. Trail of it's broken on TV right now. Oh, no futures for me, everyone. Wah wah. No futures for me. All right, let's attack AMD. SLV is beautiful, by the way. I'm just let it sit there and run. Just let it sit there and run. That's crazy. What's up, dude? Late no trace for me on futures. And Q's is being like a dick. Like you can't trade this. Like look at that. When you look at that, you can't trade that. We could have went short with all these wick rejection. We could have set a sell limit here, a short limit here at 352 to short it. But now let's see what it does. I'm gonna help you. Let's just trade through you, but not really. Yesterday's lows right here, by the way. So draw a line right there, Leighton. 218. Yeah, 218 low. It goes below that. You it just goes down. You break that, just goes down. Down. VIX back up. We covered 18, now we're moving back up. Oh, brother. Pay attention to AMD, hold 200. Apple is the only strong one. Apple is the only one trying to hold everything up. Wait, is that the one? Yeah, we're just. All right, I'm gonna look for charts. Let's see what's hot today. Oil, solar. Okay, we can check out solar. ENPH. ENPH is strong. ENPH. G, thanks for following, my guy. Hey, Pratik. Good morning, sir. Pratik. Costco. There's our Costco, bitch. There's our Costco, bitch. Yeah. 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 Yeah, those guys hit, see? Everyone with these contracts. But I say, look at that. Every one of those contracts. NQ is dying. VIX is heading to 20. You lost NVIDIA 40%. What'd you do? Calls? Puts? Brody, what's up, my guy? Good morning. We're getting everyone down here. Good. Let's hang out. Let's hang out while we watch the market, kind of like, chop away our portfolio. Solar is the other strong team. So solar is a sector. NQ dead. Love it. All right, Leighton. We can play shorts, right? It smashed yesterday's low. Next one would be overnight would be, what is this one? Low is 180. Yeah, you can short every single freaking move down. Short every leg. Do paper trades for fun since my trade overhead's broken. We would sell limit wise. So we do candle by candle right now, right? So it just dropped. Well, hold on, let me see something. I need levels. I can't trade without fibs. Like I'm blind without knowing the fibs. So we're gonna refib this one. It needs to retest this, right? So if I was getting in, I would do this. Take profit, I'll just drag it down. Where'd it go? Am I nuts? TV trading is broken. Even paper trading is broken? What the? Something's off TV today. TV is not working well. That's weird. That's really weird, by the way. What would you look for now since we are lower? Would you make a market limit or wait for the retest? Retest, always retest. Retest. Get in the habit of retesting. Get in the habit, retest. Don't FOMO in. I call FOMO or hype into like a move. Like if it's a big flush, like shit, I'm gonna miss it. TV works for you? Yeah, it's lagging. Look, it just like double duplicated those. Whatever. Can I sign back in to trade over 8? Oh shit, it's working. Is it working? Hold on. I might be live again. Hold on. Okay. Fuck yeah, trade over 8's back. All right, cool. Trade over 8's back for me. But retest. So for example, for this move, I set at the market low. I'm waiting for this retest. This is gone. Let's see what the 100T looks like. I don't need all that, by the way. I can't even cancel an order. Something is up TV. If it's lagging on the paper trade side, I kind of don't want to trade real money. Yeah, something's off. I'm clicking on this and it's not working. Oh my god, Meta's down too. Microsoft is a piece of shit, by the way. Microsoft just like killed the whole market on purpose for us. Like, why? Like, why? It had good earnings and then it just decided I gotta go back and read the news about it. It's something they probably said something stupid, didn't they? Guarantee they said something stupid. I mean their earnings transcript. Meta. Both great earnings. Let me see if there's any news on tech. Why this tech's going nutty? If you guys see anything, let me know. I'm just looking at Walter. You sold at 700. 187. Short. 187. Silver is lagging too. You got it at 187? Yeah, limit. Yeah, that's a good spot. That's the spot I had on that broken paper trade. Where was profit green? Remember base hits, Leighton, base hits. If you see like $100 in front of you, $200, take it. Don't let it go red. Base hits. Cat, I have support here from Meta. $10 a.m. 10 a.m. madness right now. Can we get a reverse bounce? A trend reversal? Be nice. I'm waiting for NQ to base. Meta 665 can be a bounce. Can be. Costco is still very strong. Costco flag and continuing. I want to see Costco hit 1,000, to be honest with you. Should be 1,000 already. Costco. Costco contracts are so expensive. Yeah. Costco, just a lot of talk right now. There's a lot of flow coming in Costco. If it cracks 1,000, it's gonna run really fast. Like really, really fast. 'ENPH. Weren't you green, Leighton? Like from where you enter and it dropped down? You would have been green. How many cons did you take? $36. I want to pull back. Yeah, step away. Do M and Q. Stop doing NQ. This is crazy. Fuck happened here? SEDG. SEDG. I need to pull back on SEDG. Hood. Yeah, get some food and get some coffee. So, Alicia, how are you? When now? Move. This is a crazy move. I kind of want to see a pullback to enter. Not kind of. I wish for a pullback. Spread's kind of weird. Sorry, I'm back. Sorry, I'm back. Costco's flagging again. This is ticker's hot. SEDG. Oh no, run. Sorry. AMD's almost at 200. AMD, Meta. AMD, Meta's finding a base right now. The 9th. Oh, the baby's awake. Meta is a good bounce right here, cat. I want to see what date we can find. Contract wise for this week. What's today? Wednesday? Today's Wednesday. 2 days. 211. I want to see what we can find later for Meta. Meta looks good for a reverse bounce. Yeah, so technically bounce off the 113 right here too. I'm going to scalp the 680 calls from Meta this week. I'm in. Average. 345 each. Shit. I'm at 690, 690, 690. Sorry, guys. This is a quick move. This is a quick bounce. Oops. What the hell did this do? Did I just like break this fib? Why's my fib all jacked up? Ride it. That's cool. Sir Butt Kiss. No idea what extra chart is, by the way. I'm gonna look at an EXO chart. That's cool. No idea what that is. Why does it look like a platform that my buddy already made? Actually, it does look exactly like it. Those meta contracts are up. 30%. They're up 30%. Good catch. Good catch. Good catch. Good catch. Good catch, cat. Good catch. Jeez. What a move. %40. Keep riding it, cat. Good freaking move. Yeah, we did one trade. One trade. That's crazy. One trade a day. I freaking love it. Mm-mm-mm-mm-mm. How do I? Where is it? Do you come in on afternoon? I need to. I need to do better coming on at 11:30. But yes, my goal is to come on back, get back online at like 11:30 end of day. Cause it's like so like crazy sometimes during that hour, between that hour. I have like lunch, and I have to pick up the kid, or like have like meetings. But yeah. But yes, I would try my best. Because I get a lot of the Central Coast and East Coast, West Coast people waking up like now. In the afternoon, it's always a good fun vibe chat with everyone. What do you mean? Market opens at 9:30 for you. 9:30 a.m. I'm already up. That's funny, cat. That's hella funny. Where's the settings thing for this? one's still pushing really strong. Costco's giving a little bear what? That's weird. I think it's a link. I think the link's broken for some reason. I apologize. Here, I'm gonna paste that link in here. Maybe I don't know if you can copy it from here. Can you? I apologize. I might need to go into TikTok and fix it on a profile side. Reg raw. You know what's gonna mess our freaking meta play trade? If QQQ keeps acting up, but hopefully meta can just do its own thing. Did Lily move out us? Nice. Dude, what is happening? Mm-hmm. I see you, Cat. Give me 1 second. Uh, yeah, Q is pulling everything down. Even like meta can hold. How do I work this? 7:40. Oh, I gotta wake the boys up. These kids. How does this work? Dude. Why is my trade ovate all like broken? I'm trying to fix trade ovate right now, cat. Sorry. It's like broken. Why can't I do anything? Yeah, I gotta figure this one out later. It's like really annoying me. What the? Oh, no futures for me. No futures trading for me. Let me look at the boys. He's waking up. Okay, let's see if they fix my trade ovate or not. Netflix is $80, by the way. Shares for those would be awesome. Just collect that for your portfolio. SEDG. This is no looker right here. Oh yeah, I got you, dude. You do it? Okay. Do you need help or no? These kids are grown. They don't need my help anymore. They're so cute. Copper, I heard people were trading that. Is, is it as crazy as silver? Does it move nicely? I mean, metals, as long as it's moving like a tradable movement, then yeah. But it gets crazy sometimes and you just can't even move along with it. I don't understand why this is broken. I'm kind of annoyed right now with this. Like, please, I just want to trade. Annoying. What is you using? What are you asking me, my guy? Oh, sorry, I didn't see anything. Pocket options? A lot of money? I don't use pocket options. I use Webull as a platform for my options. Pocket options like gambling, man. I checked it out already. It's literally straight up gambling. It takes like that's the great thing about that app or that platform. It's like they make it easy where like, do you think it's gonna go up for the next 30 seconds? Do you think it's gonna go down for 30 seconds? That's straight up gambling, bro. Like the fuck? That takes no skills at all. Sorry that you lost money. I'm sorry to hear that. 50, you still hiding in here? But yeah, I checked it out because I hear like TikTok people jump in like, hey, you use pocket options. I'm like, I checked it out. I'm like, they're just gambling. Like they made it for like they made it as simple as possible for like even kids. Like, hey mom, can I have your credit card? What is it? You just say you use pocket options. What do you mean? What is it? I'm confused. Huh? Daddy, you're a bad boy. How am I a bad boy? You didn't set. Even the machine, I hear the machine was ringing like it's done now. Even we even brush our teeth yet. Why didn't you brush your teeth though? I asked Hunter, you need help. He said no. So that means you guys didn't need help. So now do you need my help? Come here. Oh, thanks for follow. You follow my chat, didn't you? All right, I'm back. Put on time limit on structure of pocket is definition gambling. The norm. So cute. The name. The name? What? Oh, this is trading view, my guy. I'm sorry. This is trading view. Trading view to chart. There. You see, I got lectured, cat. Kids nowadays. I'm a bad boy. I didn't get the toothbrushes ready. I love these little rascals. Drive me crazy. Do you see the wifey's new eval in the chat? Where? You gave him an eval? Oh, cat. Let me give you a roll. Sorry. Yes, Gong? Yes, master. Did you wash your face? My guy, I don't know how to say your name. QQ, I'll call you QQ because that's the first 2 letters I see. Yeah, stop using pocket options. Learn how to trade correctly, please, so you don't burn money for fun. She's 19 in college. You have to call, make sure she's alive. Sounds about right. That's what I did for my mom too. She's like, mom cares, but us kids back then we're just being kids. I'm gonna cherish these moments with these little rascals until they do the same thing to me. I don't understand why my trail is so broken, man. Like, what the f is happening? Okay, let me get you fruits, master. That was crazy. We work for them. We work for them. Dude, I can't. I'm gonna reset trading view. Give me a second. Sorry, buddy. You can see my screen for a moment. If this doesn't work, then Tradeovate broken or something. Bro, what is happening? My Tradeovate's like broken. Run is still running. What a monster. Okay. Okay. Maybe I'm on the right path. That's not it. God, thanks for tapping your screen. You just sending likes. You're awesome, by the way. Let me go get fruits from a cat. You can kill me. You guys gotta finish your milk today, okay? Stop messing around. You gotta 50. You gotta make your wife do it, man. That's cheating. You can't do it for her. Make her learn. Read the full chat. What's up, dude? The full chat. You gotta make me read the whole thing. Oh my god. Hold on. Let me scroll up. You monster. That's nice, man. It's good. Can you imagine like both of you guys trading at the same time? Same day. You have your goods and then bad trades, and then you just sitting there yelling at each other if you gave it the wrong level. How do I feel about Hood? Discount max. Holy Hood. You Omar, tell me what do you see? What support do you see? What's your entry? What are you planning on doing? Major neckline. Your entry is bad. I have 195 shares, average 118. Holy shit. You bought it up here. It wasn't a bad entry. It was not. You bought at support. You were hoping for support. Is this a long-term investment? Yeah. If it's a long hold, like, don't even look at it. Don't even look at it. You can buy more average in. Like, it might hurt a lot seeing that 66 can be a level. Yeah, for sure. Like, if it's like, Hood is a good name, right? Hood is a good name. Like Bull, like Weeble. I don't know why, like, people knock around. Well, I know why. Would now be a good time? No. Let it keep falling. Oh my, don't buy now. Let it keep going. Like, if you're really itching to like buy now, I'm not gonna stop you, but I wouldn't do it now. Cause this is free falling. Here, this is a weekly look. When would I do it? Right here. Told you this line, 66 area, 70. Let's say 70. Has earnings this week, next week. Yep. That's just my take on Hood. But if you feel like you want to buy some now, go for it. To average in. It is oversold on the RSI. I don't understand why. I would need to add this. This is bullshit. Yeah, come. Okay. Go wash your mouth. Okay. Yeah. You finished everything? VIX back over 19. Nice. What a piece of shit. I'm just getting chopped up today into like Abercrombie Fitch, right? Flow. NF. I don't see Abercrombie and Fitch flow. You didn't finish your food, Tristan? Oh, in trouble. Mm. It's not reclaimed yet. Dude, all these names are good. AP. Advanced Auto Parts. I see you break. Hmm. Yeah, that's a good one. Advanced Auto Parts might be good. No. Excuse me. That's a crazy hiccup. That's weird. That's really weird. NASDAQ real time data. NASDAQ 3. I have that. Kids crack me up out there. CME. I have all these already. They're doing a dance show out there. It's hella funny. They're like dancing right now. Oh my god. I can hear Hunter's just singing out there. I don't know how his voice having so much energy in the morning. He just woke up. Crazy. is so fake. You guys done eating? Okay, let's check the rest of the market. I don't know what's going on right now in the market. AP is good. VIX is still in 18. AMD's almost at 200. I'll be interested in getting AMD long swing at 200. I don't understand. You know what? I don't care. All right, I gotta go, guys. Cat, catch you online. Get the kids to school. Oh, yeah, I'm definitely trying to get back on later. Later, Cat. Thanks for hanging out.